वेलकम बैक। आज हम देखेंगे एक और थेरेपिस्ट हु इज जस्ट अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर एट दिस पॉइंट. नाउ आई डू नॉट disclaimer, I do not know about her, I do not know what she does. I am just looking at and reacting to Gaurav Bhati's video, who comes to my feed a lot, and this is something that caught my eye. She's a therapist that who we are going to talk about, and she advocates for divorce. And I think glorifying divorce, normalizing divorce, is not something that we should apply on in our culture, at the very least. Getting in a relationship, getting in a marriage which is toxic, and getting out of it is healthy for you. But just normalizing divorce is not, because that's not how a society should function. Because when you divorce someone, there are jobs online, there are kids online, there are alimonies online as in, you get the point. So these are the things which should not be played around with just in the name of normalizing something. First, we saw Awkward Goat just normally taking a culprit's side, and now we are seeing another therapist or mental health coach. Uh, this term mental health coach gets dragged around very easily in the psychology community, and usually people who do not have the degree to back up their psychological like presence online use this mental health coach tag. So I do not know about her, but let's look into the opinion that she has. ठीक है, चल.
तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक और थेरेपिस्ट के बारे में। इनका नाम है आदिति चंदा नानी। चंदा की नानी, चंदा नानी, मजाक कर रहा हूँ। अवार्ड विनिंग मेंटल हेल्थ कोच। कहाँ से क्या अवार्ड मिला है किसी को कुछ नहीं पता।
Why do we celebrate marriage and shame divorce?
हाँ, कर दी बेवकूफी वाली बात, अब मैं भी कर देता हूँ। चंदा नानी जी, ये बताइए कि चंदा मामा गंजे क्यों हैं?
Divorce is shamed because it feels like you failed at something.
या इट फील्स
Oh
लाइक।
my god, you found the one and then you didn't make it work.
लड़कियों प्रोग्रेसिव बात कर दी, ताली बजा दो।
No one wants to live with that kind of guilt, which is why divorce is spoken about in whispers and
No, it's not actually guilt, it's more about, I get the point that you can think of this as guilt because we associate this with a lot of, we associate this from the side and a POV of the women who are guilted by the end of a relationship or end of a marriage, and they are said to be the ones who are the victims of a divorce. However, in this today's current generation and age of alimonies and abusing powers and basically abusing the law, men are becoming the real victims of divorce. And I do not know about guilt, but they are losing out their families, they're losing out their money, they're losing out their own life at this point.
marriages are celebrated with loud music.
हाँ, डिवोर्स के लिए ना मैरिज हॉल बुक होनी चाहिए, एक और बारात निकलनी चाहिए। भाइयों देखो, चिंता बस इस बात की होती है कि ये लोग देश के लिए वोट करते हैं। अब तो बस यही सुनना बाकी रह गया है कि डिवोर्स इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट कैन हैपन टू यू।
Divorce is the best thing that can happen for you.
तू मेरे को ये बता कि तेरे को अवार्ड दिया किसने था?
Obviously, when a relationship is ending, it's ending because there's unhappiness and there's sadness. So why are we sticking with that unhappiness?
देख, टॉपिक से अलग मेरे को पूछना है, ये तेरे क्या मौसी मौसा है, इनकी क्लिप लगा देती है हर वीडियो के अंदर। और भाइयों देखो, इन पागल थेरेपिस्टों के पागल पैरामीटर पे हम रिलेशनशिप जज करने बैठ जाएं तो हर छोटी लड़ाई पे डिवोर्स करा देंगे। अरे तुम हैप्पीनेस
Sorry from the entire psychological community. However, ये हर छोटी चीज़ पे डिवोर्स कराने वाली बात, I will tell you something which is very fundamental in this training of becoming a therapist. You do not give any advice to your client which will alter their life path. So anything, any decision, any life decision that your client makes, you have no right as a therapist, you have no right to judge or determine what they're going to do. It's all about introspection, it's all about how they view a certain situation, and you, as a therapist, are responsible for just giving them that perspective. You do not suggest divorce, you do not suggest anything. So, I mean, Horrible suggestion.
नहीं हो, वो तुमसे ऐसा क्यों बोला, अभी चलो मेरे साथ कोर्ट में डिवोर्स लेते हैं।
When you get divorced, you get that chance to work on yourself.
वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ का मतलब है कि 30% डिस्काउंट है मेरी थेरेपी पे।
If you get that chance to start being happy, start that 2.0 version of your life.
सस्ती मेहंदी लगा के, सस्ता माइक लगा के कुछ भी तो मत बको यार। इसकी ना फोटो लगा देनी चाहिए इसके कॉलेज के बाहर के, भाई हम एमएससी तो कराते हैं पर ये भी हो जाता है हमसे।
So yes, it's the best thing that can happen.
भाई अगर
Not really. A best thing, let's say, you get a great job, you start working on yourself, you have a proper organization where you hire other people and you support the society, you do charity work, you have a kid, you actually fall in love with someone else, you start taking care of your parents, you start taking care of your spouse, you start taking care of your family. These are the best things that can actually happen to you. But divorce is not one of them. Divorce is a negative thing and it should be looked at as a negative thing, and it shouldn't be associated with the happiness and joy and flourishing of it all. A divorce is getting out of a marriage. A relationship breakup is a different thing. It's a casual thing that you do in your young age. But a divorce is a proper commitment between families, which involves your own family. When you have kids and then you get a divorce, it affects the kid.
अगर कोई मेरे कमेंट्स में असली साइकोलॉजिस्ट, असली थेरेपिस्ट हो तो भाई इस औरत की बीमारी का पता लगाओ।
Men will be respected basis how much money they bring in is also the construct of a
एक सेकंड, लेट मी गेस, पेट्रियार्की।
patriarchal society.
हाँ नहीं,
पेट्रियार्की के ऊपर मैं एक और वीडियो बनाऊंगा शायद इसके जस्ट बाद। I saw this another like feminist talk about this super weird concept about patriarchy, and probably the next video is going to be about that.
नहीं मैं वो टैटू देख के समझ गया
The
था।
number one problem in a toxic relationship is we end up with narcissism.
हाँ ये थेरेपिस्टों की
Exactly, narcissism. These terms, narcissism, antisocial, depressed, anxious, stressed, all of these terms, OCD, have been thrown around very casually because people usually, I won't judge her like qualifications, but people in general just casually throw these things around, terms around, when they have no actual knowledge of these terms.
पुरानी बीमारी है, कोई डिस्कशन कोई डिसएग्रीमेंट, अरे ये तो नार्सिसिस्ट।
UAE is the safest place for women.
देख बहन तू तो पागल है, हमने माना ऑब्वियसली थेरेपिस्ट है, लेकिन यूएई से ज्यादा पेट्रियार्कल क्या होगा। अडल्ट्री के लिए स्टोन पेल्टिंग से खत्म कर देते हैं। राजा की दोनों बेटियों ने भगने की कोशिश करी, उनको दोनों बार पकड़ लिया, अभी वो कन्फाइनमेंट में है। चलो मैं दीदी की आज थेरेपी लेता हूँ। हाँ दीदी बताओ क्या दिक्कत है आपको।
An absent father is so common these days
सही बात है,
because they have not received love from their own father.
सही बात है,
Especially in the Desi community, it's really hard to get a father to tell their son, "I love you,"
सही बात है,
or "I'm proud of you." They haven't received that. They don't know how to give that.
सही बात है। ठीक है 500 रुपए दे दो, हो गया आज का।
That's what happens when you get divorced. That's exactly what happens. Absent parents is what is the result of getting a divorce. The thing that you were celebrating a few reels back. So you're actually contradicting your own statements. An absent father leads to children having emotional issues. I understand that. And that comes out of divorce, that comes out of separation. So the thing that you were advocating for just like 2 minutes ago is the reason behind the general trauma of a young child. So points proven, I guess, by itself. So I do not have anything else to say. This is ironic, but she contradicted her own statements, and that's about it. That's the proof that was supposed to be the conclusion of this video. I have nothing else to say. मिलते अगले वीडियो में, bye.